In this video, we will go to the Bearded Skipper. I just got back. This is a good one. Have a look. So this is the Confederation Bridge. It's about 110 feet off the water. Even though the water is only 60 feet deep here, that allows ships to go through it. It's a 12-kilometer long toll bridge. Get this, they only charge you to come off the island. They don't charge you to get on it. Instead of dividing the charges up half and half each side, depending on which way you're going, they decided to charge you the whole rate on the way off. So you're welcome to come to the island, but you got to pay to get away. Well, that really shows you. It's all downhill from here. So the spot we just went over is where all the large vessels, including the salt ships and military, and even a cruise ship can go through here time to time. So a lot of salt ships, though. A lot of merchant marine stuff going on in this strait. Are we gonna toss our cookies or what?
That good yard for hauling them.
Wow.
There's never no issue all day.
Oh, good. Oh, awesome.
The four of them up. That's ready? You want, and then you guys are in there.
There you go. Then you're in.
What are you doing, Pete? Stashing your beer? What thing?
Well, no, I'm putting the bag in, but I wanted to fall over.
I was trying to get you to go swimming here for a minute.
I'm a good swimmer.
Are you really?
That little fella, as soon as I seen him.
How would I expect from a guy from the prairies?
I'm a good swimmer. I grew up in a Hutterite colony,
Yeah.
so we have canals and
I can't believe this.
waterfalls and stuff. And it used to
You have waterfalls on the Hutterite colony. How?
running right past.
How?
Well, not huge, but I mean it's.
To swim in though. In the prairies. Okay. Awesome.
Yeah.
Other side. Hold it. Come on here. Count 10. There we go. Flip it up. Holy moly.
There you go, good job.
There you go.
You let go here.
Come on, I'm coming back, bro.
Okay, reel her up.
Oh, there you go.
Oh. There you go, big guy. moly. Bring him in the boat.
Oh, he got one.
Oh, you fell off. Ah, go right down. Go back again. Oh, right in the eye. Bring her in. Oh, gone.
Holy Jesus, I give up, boys. I give up right there, that's it.
Easy.
Do you know how to fish now? Yeah, another one.
Bring it in. It's huge. There you go.
And the best thing is they haven't stole my bait yet. Oh no, we got no water around us. Yeah. Couple rivers, that's about it.
There's a couple of eggs, but you don't want to eat them.
I'm catching a lot of fish here.
Alright guys, I'm just getting back. Getting ready to go to bed. What a great day. We went over, had a big fishing charter with a bearded skipper. Dirk, thank you for putting this all on and having me and the family and the rest of your family over. I'm sure everyone's appreciative. If you guys are wondering who this was, I'll put a link in the description below. The bearded skipper, you got to remember they had 12 kids on board today and there was 19 of us total. They handled it like champs. Amazing, amazing experience. I can't say enough good about it. We've gone to them over the last few years several times, and every time it's a great time. We did mackerel and cod today. They also do tuna, which is not in this video. Give them a call. Their number's all through the video. What a great time. If you'd like the content, please subscribe. There's one guy, I'm gonna throw him under the bus here. Sorry, Pete. I had to do it. If you've been watching the whole way through here, he's easy to embarrass. He's the one that's from the Hutterite colony and learned to swim in the falls. Here, enjoy this. I like your purse though.
What is it? Call?
Buffalo, who knows?